Hello, YouTube. I went to the store and got you something. It's a stick from Quannnic. Let's learn how to play this song. Starts out on A. That's like the chorus. And I think they might be playing in some kind of drop tuning. I don't know, but I'm just playing it in standard tuning. A lot of what you're hearing on the recording is the bass guitar. A, B, play power chords. Or if you play the A open, just go right to the B. And then we go G, A, B. F sharp, second fret, and then slide into the G. Oh yeah, and then the chorus is what he's singing there. He's like, I hate you. Stay on D for 2 measures, and then you finish on E power chord. So the first chord though is B minor 7. You could just play a power chord if you want, and then D power chord, and then they stay on it, and the bass goes down. It sounds. And then it ends on E minor. So that's pretty easy. And then it just goes. All right. That's how I played that one. Thanks. Bye.